bugging out again. I'll do a weekly what's new. Nothing really. Actually, there's a lot of stuff new. I didn't record it because I just don't feel like setting it up and cutting out background music, and some of the stuff is just not worth it. People, kids running around, gotta edit out stuff. So, I'm trying to stick to the garage. Even though I could have made a video of changing some lawnmower tires and doing all kinds of crazy things, but sometimes you just don't have to make a video for everything. So, what's new? Channel still going. I haven't made any thumbnails. They take forever. I think I forgot to mention that. I still got a video coming out possibly every Monday, and at least Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Minimum Friday and Saturday. But I'm waiting for a powder coat guy to call me back. He hasn't called me in like 3 weeks. I'm not gonna call him. Not gonna rush because I spent all the money I was supposed to pay him. So I'm waiting to get paid again. So, but I do have another pile of stuff to go powder coat after that comes back in. Once everything goes to powder coat, or most of it comes back, you will finally see assembly of stuff. I have all kinds of stuff to assemble. Might be a little more interesting. You'll see progress. Maybe I'll get this bike out of the way. As soon as I get the roof on I'm thinking of doing that mid-August because it gets a lot cooler at night. Mosquitoes go away a bit, so August, September, I'm putting the roof on my shed. I have the tin. I gotta get some. I gotta get a 12-foot cap for the roof, and I should have kept the old one from the where I got the damn thing, but I didn't think to keep the center cap. So I got to buy a green center cap. Order that, 12 feet or 2 6-foot sections, whatever, 8 foot. I don't know, probably 2 pieces, one. Whatever, I don't know. Order that. I'll get that all shit ready. I think I got to get itchy all of a sudden. I think I gotta get a couple more sheets of aspen when I put the roof on, but then it'll be all buttoned up. I have the door. It's got to go in. The door's sitting there. I couldn't find anybody to help me hold it so I could put the hinges on. And I don't know. I'm not a hinge expert, so I wanted to put exterior hinges. Then I'm thinking like somebody's gonna unscrew and the door will fall off. So thinking maybe not. I might put them in open, but that's a whole nother ball of wax. So once that's done, I'll take one of these bikes out of here. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do. I mostly been working on plumbing. I've been doing subflooring with plywood. I got to finish off the few electrical things, kids, camping, summer. So I've been trying to keep busy. Been trying to find some more things for videos to do. I have a ton of shit I can do videos. It's late at night. I'm tired as hell. I got up early this morning. So with that said, I will continue this. In the fall, I'll actually be doing a lot more videos because I can just pop the door open. Right now there's about 4 billion mosquitoes out there. If I open this, it's going to be like a big swarm. And I ran out of deep woods off. Cause normally I do is I spray the outside of the building. I spray about 10 feet around. But in the meantime, I have a little project I'm actually going to work on. You're going to see me work on something soon. Again, I have to cut the grass in front because it's about, 2 feet high. Tomorrow I'm weed whacking in probably 90-degree weather again. Got the lawnmower working, my dad's old lawnmower. Put 2 front tires on it. Now I got to order, what do I got to order? I was driving around with my son and we hit a rock and the drive belt, the deck belt broke, and John Deere wants $108 for a belt. I went online, ordered the same belt, same part number, and it's $42 US, which is a lot better than $108. Or you can buy an aftermarket one for $17. Everybody says they stretch, so I think I'm going to order the John Deere one and the aftermarket one just for the hell of it and see what happens. I look at it this way. If I get 3 years worth of use or a year's worth of use out of a $17 belt, that means I could buy 5 belts or for the same price, or I could buy 1 belt in the last 5 years. Everybody says the original lasts longer than the what do you call it? Aftermarket ones, but then a lot of the aftermarket ones, they said they last just as long. With that said, the whole tractor needs a new front end because the front end got smashed, and I think we might have a snowplow to put on it. So maybe I'll do some snowplowing videos if we get any snow, because climate change is ruining everything, including the price of everything. But hopefully I'll get the bikes finished before World War III breaks out, and the tractor all set up. I'm gonna probably bring here and put some of that car guy's plasticware store on it, because some of the black plastic needs to be looking a lot more prettier. The deck, now that I know how to take the deck off, you just pull the pins, drop the deck, and pull the other hook off. I'm probably going to bring the deck in here, take some of it off, and see if some of the pulleys need to be oiled or lubed or whatever, greased. The part of it has some rust on it, so I'm going to clean up some of it and go get some genuine John Deere yellow paint. And I'm not bringing my son to the John Deere place because there's a 40-foot wall of John Deere toys and he's not getting any. So, yeah, you don't bring a 4-year-old to a tractor place that has toys. It's bad news. It's like 0 to 60 on your wallet. 0 to $60 gone in like 2 seconds. Then they play with the toy and it's gone. Like it's 2 minutes later they're playing with a cardboard box. So waste of money. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't buy kids toys or make them toys or give them stuff to play with. With that said, what am I up to here? Like about what, 5 minutes? A 5-minute short one? Okay. Anyway, I'll end it here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tally ho the like button. You know, smash it, grab it, punch it, bop it, kill it, whatever. Subscribe. If you're my 1,857 subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. If you're my first subscriber, my last subscriber, middle, all my subscribers, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I should say thanks for subscribing because most of the subscribers don't watch the videos. Use random stuff. I haven't put out many shorts because I've been getting a lot of views of shorts, and I don't got a lot of watch time. My watch time is going down in my video, so maybe I'll become a breakthrough, whatever. I don't know. I don't really care. But it'd be fun to get monetized. Like I want a pizza, man. Even if I was monetized for a month, made $30, and then I think you need more than that to get the money. Even though it's for a year, it'd be cool. Make enough money to buy pizza. That's all I want. Be like, eBay bought me this pizza. Ah. So anyway, watch my videos. Let it play in the background. I don't expect you to watch them all because I know some are boring. I'm convinced though eBay has a little thing on your monitor. It actually checks to see if your eyeballs are watching the screen. Because then it probably knows, like you just turned it on, you left the room, and it's like, oh, not watching it. Sorry. Yeah. So anyway, I hope they don't put shit advertising in my videos either. Thanks for watching. Toodles.